Greetings, and welcome to the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences How to Manage Your Time. Quick question. What do you, Steve Jobs, Shonda Rhimes, who is the creator of Grey's Anatomy, Scandal, and How to Get Away with Murder, and Beyoncé have in common? Think about it. Think hard. Maybe phone a friend. Consider Googling it. And drumroll please, you all have 24 hours in each day, 7 days in each week, and 52 weeks in each year. So what makes them more productive than you? Stephen Covey, educator and author of books such as The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, The 8th Habit, and The Leader in Me, found that successful people manage their time based on the idea of 4 quadrants. In quadrant 1, you have things that are urgent and important. This is the quadrant of necessity. These are where emergencies and crises reside. These are events that are often unplanned and unwanted. Because of this, when events and tasks fall in quadrant 1, you put all of your attention into managing it. This is a quadrant to avoid. Then we have quadrant 2. These are things that are not urgent but important. This is the quadrant of quality and personal leadership. This quadrant is epitomized by careful planning, working ahead of time, anticipating challenges, and addressing them before they become challenges. In a nutshell, time management. This is the quadrant that you want to focus your attention in. You always want to be in quadrant 2. Quadrant 3 is where items, assignments, and events that are urgent but not important live. The quadrant of deception. This is when your friends need you to proofread their 10-page paper that's due tomorrow at noon, and you're studying for your test that is also tomorrow at noon. Or when your roommate wants to vent about how much they need to study, even though they just spent 5 hours on Netflix. The issue is important, though not to you, and it's distracting you from your purpose. Avoid quadrant 3. Quadrant 4 is when something is neither important nor urgent. An example of this would be checking Twitter, and no, it won't take you 15 seconds. This is the quadrant of waste. Don't waste your time. Avoid this. Now that we understand a bit about what we do well and the things to avoid, let's figure out where you spend most of your time. Click on the Effective Time Management worksheet below and complete it. When you've finished, watch the procrastination video and you will be well on your way to managing your time more effectively. Thank you for listening.
Created using Powtoon.